Okay, this is a simple tutorial, all right, for beginners for Elise. All right, for Elise is in the key of A minor. All right, so mostly white notes. Only exception, we're going to be using G sharp. All right, the song is in triple meter or counting in threes, but the song does not start on count one. It starts on count three. All right, the beginning part. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 1 and 2. All right, so that's the first part. Let's do that again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 1 and 2. All right, so that's the first part. All right, so first section and the second section just have a slight variation. All right, now you have to repeat those parts a second time. Okay, so I'm going to do it again and with the repeat. 3 and 1 and 2 and 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 3 and 1 and 2. Repeat. 3 and 1 and 2 and 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 3 and 1 and 2. Okay. So next section now, we're going to start off with the B, and we're going to start off with C in the left hand. And 3 and 1 and 2 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 and 3 and 1 and 2. Okay, let's do that one more time. And 3 and 1 and 2 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 and 3 and 1 and 2. All right, next part now. So we're going to be altering our hands for a moment. And 3, we're going slowly. And 1 and 2, then a little bit faster. And 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and back into the beginning. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 going back into this third section, and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. Sorry. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 1 and 2 and then and 3 and 1 and 2. Okay, from the beginning to the end.